Let's check in now with money guru Scott Phillips, Chief Investment Officer at Motley. Evening, Scott. A better day on the market, as Chris mentioned. Who were the big winners and the losers?
Peter, good evening. It was a much better day. Coming off a very strong lead in the US, the market there was up 2.1%. So we should have expected a good day. There wasn't a single sector in the red today on the ASX. That was pretty positive. Only a couple of meaningful losers, among them Super Retail Group and 7 Group Holdings. The winners were plenty. Tech sector did very, very well, up 3.3%, including WiseTech, Appen and Life360.
Now, with oil prices falling, when can drivers expect some relief when filling up?
I'm desperately hopeful it's not too far away, Peter. In fact, today I did notice the petrol pumps around my place are about 10 cents a litre cheaper, still above $2 though, unfortunately. And look, it is a fingers crossed scenario. The petrol price, or the oil price, I should say, could go anywhere from here, up or down. But we're now down 27% from the oil price high. And I'm hopeful, maybe a little bit optimistic even, that we might see it possibly by mid next week.
Here's hoping. Now, Scott, another large building company has gone bust. What went wrong?
Yeah, this is really tough. Condev in Queensland, working on 18 different development projects. They couldn't reach agreement with their developer partners on funding for the business. A lot of people involved, and of course, this comes hot on the heels of the ProBuild collapse only a few weeks earlier. Goes to show, even with the economy in recovery mode and unemployment almost under 4%, it's a very, very tough environment out there, particularly for our builders. That inflation word remains a big problem as well. Makes it very, very hard to turn a buck on construction sites around the country. OK, now finally, how's Wall Street looking? This is almost the good news bulletin, Peter. We couldn't give you good news about Condev, but certainly in this case, the US futures, after, as I said, a great night yesterday, sounds like another good night tonight. US futures up 0.8%. So hopefully a bright start for them. And if they can finish in the green, hopefully a bright start for us here tomorrow as well.
Oh, here's hoping. Thank you, Scott Phillips from Motley.
Thanks, Peter.